Totally simple and adorable. Let's decorate cookies. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. Today I'm decorating Toad from Nintendo. It's a beginner-friendly cookie and so adorable, so grab your supplies and let's decorate. All of the supplies you need are listed in the description. I hand cut my cookies, and I'll leave a link on how you can do that as well. And I'm starting out by outlining his face with about a 15 to 20-second consistency. It's a little on the thicker side. Your icing doesn't need to be this thick. A 15-second consistency works just fine. And then I'm just going to use my scribe to shape it and smooth this icing out. It's going to take me a minute because the icing is thicker, but it can be done. And then I set it aside to dry for about 15 minutes, and now I'm coming back in with my red icing. I'm just going to touch down and lift up my piping bag and slowly go around the cookie, lay my line down around the outside edge of the cookie, and then stop squeezing and set my line down when I'm finished. And then I want to make 3 big circles where the white dots are going to go, so I'm just going to touch down and make the best circle or oval shape that I can, and do the same thing on the sides of the cookie. And this is real time. I'm going slow, taking my time and watching where I'm putting my line of icing rather than the piping bag. And then I'll just flood that in. And my red icing is about a 15-second consistency, so I can go right up to the edge without worrying that it's going to overflow. And it will still work for a wet-on-wet effect, which is how we're going to do the white dots. So as I always do, I'm going to grab my scribe, or you can use a toothpick, and I'm going to settle this icing down, smooth it out, pop any air bubbles, and shape it if I need to, and get it all the way out to the edge of the cookie if I need to do that as well. And then I'm going to immediately grab my white icing and fill in the spots. My white icing is also about a 15-second consistency. And I'm not going to completely fill in these spots along the side of the cookie. Instead, I'm going to use my scribe in a back and forth motion, up and down motion, to just fill those in without disturbing the red icing. I'm not going to swirl it around too much. I'm just going to carefully jiggle it back and forth until it's filled in all the way to the edge. And then we'll let that dry while we pipe 2 little lines for his eyes. My black royal icing is about a 20-second consistency, and I'll use my scribe just to shape it and settle it down. And then I'm going to grab my pink icing and give him 2 rosy cheeks. And then this totally awesome cookie will be done. He was easy, he's cute, and a perfect addition to any Nintendo cookie set. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the other Nintendo cookies in the set. And go ahead and drop a mushroom in the comments if you're a Nintendo fan. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.